Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Shirpa Masagara Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin ang gusto sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is weekly gabay for the month of September 9 hanggang September 15 for the sign of Sagittarius. So, Sagi, welcome to my channel. Ano kaya ang messages, advices, ng spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kanino naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay mo ang ating masasagap, guys? This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updates. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click nyo na po ang subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time in every moment. So guys, umpisahan na natin, 'di ba? For the weekly gabay. Angel Spirit, please give me information for the sign of Sagittarius. Ano ang pinakamensahe sa iyo ng ating mga gabay? Sagi, welcome. Bigyan mo ko ng isang pasabak. My goodness. Oh my God. Ace of Pentacles. There is a potential for abundance. Mukhang biglang pag-ship out ng Excel. Ace of Pentacles and the Six of Pentacles. Magtutuloy-tuloy about sa finances. Talaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, na mukhang may potential ka talaga, na mukhang magiging masagana talaga ang linggo mo ngayon. Mukhang sinasabi sa'yo dito, diba? There's the word card, there's in all aspects. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na may trouble ka and there's a success coming your way. Oh my God. Kumbaga sa Six of Pentacles kasi is give and take. Nagtutuloy-tuloy ang or others sa blessing this guys happen, no? Kumbaga magtutuloy-tuloy daw about sa finances mo. And the word could represent a trouble. And of course, there's a Knight of Cups. There's an offer of proposal, a romantic proposal, or there's an invitation, taking action, something creativity or something, there's an email, messages, ganon. Kumbaga, there's an information na ibabato sa'yo dito with the word card. In all aspects. Pasabog. So, there's, okay, the Six of Cups. There's a returning to the one red. So, ibig sabihin, may taong babalik from the past. So, it's either a friend or an ex or a family. Because there is a page of wands, there is a good news coming into you. May magandang mensahe at magandang balita para sa'yo. So, what is the Ace of Pentacles? There's an Eight of Pentacles. There's some messages of fast communication and fast movement that brings you a potential for abundance. Kumbaga ito ay talagang may financial windfall talaga na mangyayari to you. What is the Six of Pentacles represent? Get more information. There is a Seven of Swords in reverse. It means, kumbaga, there's a confessing coming down and coming clear and coming clean. Kumbaga, may paglilitisan, paglilinis, no? Kumbaga, lahat ng kasinungalingan ay mailalantad. At ang sinasabi dito, turning over new leaf. Or there's a conscience kicking in. Kumbaga, inalis na yung mga, kumbaga, walang ambag sa buhay mo. Or something ganon. So, what is the word card? What is the word card? Word card represent the Three of Pentacles. There's a teamwork, collaboration, hanap buhay. Kung baka meron ditong trouble ha, baka mangingibang bansa ka, baka magtatrabaho ka sa ibang bansa. It's a positive energy that sinasabi sa inyo na yes, makakapag-travel ka na. At the same time, there's a page of cups. Listen to your intuitions ha. Makinig ka sa gut feeling mo and even your visions and of course vibrations. So what is the Six of Cups? Angel Spirit Guides, what is the Six of Cups? There's a higher fight. There's a lesson learned from the past. So, ibig sabihin, matuto ka na, diba? Kumbaga, some of you baka sinaktan itong person na to. Kumbaga, may pinagdaanan ka from the past. Siguro sa kanya, and of course, sinasabi dito, there's a Chariot card, there's a movement, not taking action. Meron ng pagkilos at paggalaw dito sa eksena na to. So, ito yung balita na yon. So, what is the Ace of Pentacles and the Eight of Pentacles? There is a full card. There's a leap of faith. New beginning is coming. So, may panibagong eksena at there's an adventure. excitement. And of course, trouble. So what is the Six of Pentacles and the Seven of Swords in reverse? So there's a Three of Wands waiting for a result or waiting for a ship. So there's a blessing in disguise happen talaga na mangyayari, no? Kumbaga hindi mo to ina-expect, and of course may foresights talaga ipapakita sa iyo or insights, no? What is the word in the Three of Pentacles? And of course, there's a Ten of Cups. There's a happiness, no? Magiging masaya ka daw sa mga susunod na araw pagdating dito sa trabaho mo. Baka makatanggap ka ng email or messages coming from the work from international na kailangan mo na mag-ready for visas or something na kailangan mo na mag-ready for requirements, passport, kailangan mo nang atupagin daw. So, there's a happiness coming in. What is the Nine of Cups and the Page of Cups? Okay. There's a Two of Cups. There's a partnership. It's a proposal, like a romantic proposal. My goodness. Kumbaga may career ka na, may love life ka pa. Pasabog. And of course, there's a Ten of Wands. Alam mo, parang ang lakas ng sense dito na babalik tong tao na to kasi natuto na to. Kumbaga, hindi niya pala kaya mabuhay na wala ka or something. Kumbaga, pinagsisihan niya yung nangyari sa kanya dahil iniwan kanya. Kasi there's a burden, no? Nagkaroon ng struggles. Or sinasabi sa'yo dito natin na kailangan mo na rin siya pakawala. Kasi, kumbaga, ang dami na rin kasing reasons, no? Para bitawan. Kasi, kumbaga, ang dami ng burden, ang dami ng sacrifices, ang dami na rin naging conflict. At the same time, there's a Two of Wands, there's a two-path, no? May kailangan kapag desisyonan dito. No? Kung anong choices mo. So, what is the outcome? What is the additional outcome? Angel Spirit Guides, what is additional outcome? Okay, there's a Nine of Cups. There's a wish fulfillment. So, ito na nga, di ba? So, matutupad mo na unti-unti yung mga pangarap mo. At yung mga dinrowing mo lang dati ay ngayon makukulayan mo na with the Four of Swords. Listen to your intuition, your gut feeling. And there's a rest, no? Kailangan mo rin magpahinga. Yung fear na yan, kailangan mo rin labanan, ha? Yung anxieties, deceptions, etc. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na let go mo na yung negativity. At the same time, there's a Four of Wands, there's a celebration and twin flame energy that brings you into success. So, may magandang kahihinat na naman pala tong eksena mo. So, from heartache to moving on, to great opportunities and good, kumbaga, good life journeys, no? So, what is additional love oracle card? So, what is the love oracle card? Okay. Karmic relationship. Oh my God. Kaya pala ganon, yung, kumbaga, loving you and letting go, no? Kumbaga, nagkaroon ng lesson, ngayon babalik. Kasi there's a karmic talaga. So, it means there's a divine, talagang soulmates, no? Kumbaga, talagang pinagbuklod at pinagtagpo at talagang pinaghiwalay kayo ng tadhana. Pero, nasa sa'yo na yan kung paano mo tatanggapin tong person na to. Kung hayaan mo siyang bumalik sa buhay mo o hayaan mo siya mag-let go kung may bagong magmamahal sa'yo. So, sa kasi sa karmic relationship kasi, there is, kumbaga, failure and of course, there's a success. So, some of you, kapag may karmic relationship talaga, napagdadaanan talaga yung lahat ng sakripisyo, finances, career, health, and of course, love life, family issues. May mga ganun talaga pagdating sa karmic relationship. Pero at the end of the time, pag nalagpasan nyo yan, I guaranteed you na sinasabi ko sa inyo na pasabog talaga ang magiging pagsasama nyo. So, what is additional messages? Kasi para kayong kumbaga, purification, lilinisin kayo bago kayo isalang sa isang laban. So, there's the Grim Reaper. So, grow and transform your life, no? Kumbaga, there's a second chances or no second chances and relationship is over or grow and transformation in your life. So, paano nyo babaguhin at paano nyo pauunladin ang inyong pagmamahal sa isa't isa? Doon yung susukatin kasi. So, what is our energy? What is this energy? Angel Spirit Guides. Goddess of the Moon. So, there's an unexpected moment or there's a revelation na ibibigay dito with angels of love. So, there's a love involvement talaga dito, T. No? Love over sacrifices or love over choices, no? What is additional messages? Parang love of fears and of course, love wins. Ganon. Pero sa career mo, pasabog ka talaga din. Kumbaga may love life ka na, may career ka pa. And of course, sinasabi na courage dito, kumbaga ini-encourage ka na lakasan mo ang loob mo or have a confident, no? Alisin mo na yung takot at pangamba and there's a discipline. Magkaroon ka din ng disiplina yung thoughts mo, no? Baguhin mo yung mga negative thoughts and of course yung overthinking or something na nagbibigay sa'yo ng blockages or negativity. So what is what is Archangel Michael messages? What is Archangel Michael messages, angel spirit guides? Ano ang pasabog sa'yo? Sagittarius, there's you and your loved ones are safe. Safe naman pala ang loved ones mo. So what is the romance angels are here? So this is a new card natin guys. So let's see kung ano magiging pasabog sa'yo. This could be the one. Ay, you've already met the romantic partner you seek, no? Kumbaga natagpuan mo talaga yung pair mo talaga, no? Talaga yung maaaring siya na ba talaga? Or sinasabi dito, there's an engagement or something na baka magkaroon ka ng engagement. Your love life is ascending to higher level of commitment. Baka, yun na nga, baka magkaroon na mas mataas na relationship commitment talaga, no? Level, higher level. So what is additional messages for the chakra? Okay, thank you, angel spirit guides. There's a despondence. So, some of you nagkakaroon ng, kumbaga, kaguluhan sa kaisipan mo, no? Kumbaga, there's an fear, and of course, doubt, something. And of course, there's a mysticism, no? Meron ditong sikreto na may lalantad sa'yo, no? May maraming secrets dito na maaaring ma-reveal. At the same time, there's a victim. Maaaring biktima ka lang din, mga, ng mga nangyayari sa paligid mo. At the same time, there's an enlightenment. Magkakaroon ka ng clear and of course, kaliwanagan. No? What is additional messages? There's an oracle card. Some of you, baka nakita mo na to, naramdaman mo na mangyayari to. No? And there's an author. No? Kumbaga, you have a book inside of you. And of course, that wishes to be expressed and make the time to be written. Ibig sabihin dito, alam mo na mangyayari yan eh. Alam mo talaga may isa sa katuparan mo yan. So, alam mo lahat ng mga sinasabi mo ay matutupad mo. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's a spirituality. And meditation bring answer daw. At of course, there's a selenite. Spiritual activation. Mukhang patatalasin ang iyong spirituality, spiritual abilities. So, what is additional angel's number? So, what is the angel's number? There's a 25. What is 25 means? I am intelligence. You have a great ability to take in and process information, both conscious and subconscious levels. Our curiosity is endless, and of course, and your desires to divine depth into the variety of subjects will bring you an immense awareness of the world. So, ibig sabihin dito, maging matalino ka. Maging wise ka sa mga bagay-bagay. Lahat ng mga binibigay sa informasyon, kailangan maging, kumbaga, tawag ito, fair ka, no? Or maging totoo ka rin. At the same time, kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na lahat ng mga bagay sa paligid mo, kumbaga alam mo yung mangyayari, no? Kumbaga at alam mo yung mga katapusan or alam mo yung yung simulan at katapusan ng eksena na yan. Kumbaga, kayang-kaya mo siyang i-handle at the same time. Maging wise ka lang daw. So, what is the Jesus loving quotes? Come to me, all that have a labor and heavy laden, and of course, I will give you the rest. Lahat daw na mabibigat, lahat ng mga pinagdaanan mong nagbigay sa'yo ng kalugmukan or kumbaga kabigatan ng loob. So, ibig sabihin dito, surrender mo rin kay God na maaaring gumaang yung mga bagay-bagay na yan. No? Lalo-lalo na yung wag mong pilitin buhatin yung mga bagay na hindi mo kayang buhatin. Diba? Bitawan mo. Ganun yung T. What is the messages of life? Appreciation. So, let's see. I am I am grateful for the abundance in my life as I direct my thoughts towards all that is wonderful in my world. My troubles and worries lighten. With a full heart, I appreciate all that I have today. I accept what it is, and of course, I choose to be satisfied and express my loving things of the universe from the wealth that is mine. So, ibig sabihin, dito marunong ka mag-appreciate ng mga bagay na kung ano man ang meron sa'yo, kung ano man ang binigay ni God, kung ano man yung pinagkaloob sa'yo, kung bagay na-appreciate mo, nagpapasalamat ka sa mga bagay na yan. So, it's a good part na may ganun kang attitude and thoughts. So, this is weekly gabay for the month of September 9 hanggang September 15 for the sign of Sagittarius. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kung hindi lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, guys, sa mga naka-relate, comment down below. Sa mga hindi naka-relate, maybe sa mga susunod na reading, baka masagap na natin ang energy nyo. On how? Please comment po ang inyong full name, birthday, and of course, location nyo kung asan man kayo ngayon para sa susunod na reading energy mo na ang ating mahagilat at masagap. So, maraming salamat guys from your wonderful reading and of course for watching this video. Maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!